back. Oh my gosh, I don't even have the words to explain how excited I am. This is my first year not living with my family, so I have an entire condo to decorate instead of just my bedroom. And I'm gonna be giving y'all my top best tips to decorate for Christmas on a budget, and also make it something that you are going to absolutely love and that you're gonna feel so excited to come home to every day. So the game plan for this morning, first things first, we have to take down all of my fall decor. I'll show you, I have my little box waiting over here so we can plop it all in. Everything's gonna go in this box. And then once that is done, we're gonna come over into my office, and I got some Christmas stuff here to show you, and then this is my Christmas box that has like a ton of stuff, all of my Christmas decor. So we're gonna go through that, and then I'm gonna put together a list of all of the Christmas stuff that I want to purchase still, and then after work today, me and Larissa are gonna be going shopping. Everything looks so bland now. But see, this is why I really like to have all neutral colors for like my basics. That way every season it's super easy to switch it out and make it work for that season. My kitchen looks so blank. Okay, so now it's time to go through all the Christmas stuff that I do have. So the second step after you have taken all of your fall decor down is to go through all of your holiday decor that you already have and separate it out into two piles. One will obviously be things that you want to use this year, and then the other is things you don't want to use. Maybe you want to donate it. And then once you've done that, it's super duper important to make a list of the things you do want to buy. That way when you go shopping to add stuff to your collection, you're not rebuying things that you already have. It's super easy to forget different decor pieces that you may have gotten last year, especially if you got it at the end of the season last year, and then you're gonna go out and rebuy it and you didn't need to spend the money. But so far, this is everything that I have. And then over here, I have some cute little plates. I'm a Starbucks mug from last year. So it's after work now. Larissa and I are about to go into the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. But my second tip for y'all is after you have the list of things that you wanna get, go to the cheapest store first. So for example, we're first gonna be going into the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try and get as much as I can from my list there, and then we'll head over to Walmart. And then after that, I'll fill in with like, and then after that, I'll go to TJ Maxx and fill in like nicer things that I wanna get that I couldn't find at any of those stores. We don't have to do that today though, but we can if you want to. So far, we're each getting one of these garlands. They're pre-lit. And then I have these two 9-foot garlands that I want to try and put on top of my cabinets. But I'm gonna have to see what they look like when I take them out. I don't know if they'll be too thin. I'll be honest, I thought there was gonna be way more stuff. They're like, I guess November 1st is a little early for this, but it's cool. Hey guys, so we're at my mom and stepdad's house, and we're gonna be, oh, here it is. So Jim had this tree that he got, I don't know how many years ago. It's a fake one, and my mom refuses to use it. She insists on getting a real one, so Jim said that I could take it, so we're gonna take it. Morning guys, today is a new day. It's what day is it? Wednesday, November 6th. It's currently like 7 in the morning and we're about to decorate. As you can see, we ended up moving the tree over here. Obviously in the last clip, I had it where my mirror was, but it just came out too wide. So even if I pushed this chair all the way back, you could barely walk through, and it just didn't look right, and you wouldn't be able to see my wine chest. So Tim had the idea to move it in between those chairs. And to be honest, when he first had the idea, I didn't like it, and now I'm so happy that we went with it. When I'm in the kitchen, I'll still be able to see it over there. And it's funny because growing up, I would always ask my mom if we could put like the tree in the middle of the room so that, you know, we could decorate all around it, and she always said no, it always went up against a wall. So now my first year in my own place, and I have it in the middle of the room. So tonight after work, Tim and I are going to decorate the entire tree. We're gonna put the lights up, put the ornaments up, but for right now I am going to take care of everything else. He already left for work, he leaves really early, so I'm gonna take care of literally all the other decorations. Just want to share my shirt with you. How cute is this? Wait, Santa, let me explain. I said that wrong, but. And then I also have on these Christmas light socks. Got my Christmas tree coffee mug, and we are gonna go look at the other stuff. Okay, so I've just been compiling everything that I have here. Obviously you saw a lot of it the other day. I have more stuff there, but I have added things. These ornaments are from Costco, those are from TJ Maxx. I think we're gonna need both boxes because we're doing the whole tree now. Obviously the first thing I have to do though is put on some Christmas Pandora, and now we'll get to decorating. So the first room that we're gonna decorate is my living room because I'm most excited for that one. And the first step is to just take all the decor pieces that I plan to put in my living room and take them in there just so that it's easier to see everything that I have and start to get a sense of which pieces I want to put in what places. I swear there is just something so darn magical about decorating for Christmas time. I don't know what it is. It just puts me in such a good mood. I love all of the smells and the decorations and the lights and just how festive it is. And let me know in the comments if you've decided on your holiday decor theme this year. Obviously I'm going for more of a traditional theme, but if you've decided on yours, let me know in the comments. Isn't this so fun? You would never guess. I found this pillow at Lowe's. I never would think to shop at Lowe's for like home decor, but gosh darn it, is this not the cutest pillow? Oh, I have to cut this tag off. I'm sad to have to take one of these wine bottles out, but I need it for something super exciting and not to drink it. Is this not the cutest darn thing ever? Nor actually gave me this little wine Santa costume a few years back for like a secret Santa we did with our friends, and I'm obsessed. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. I was so excited to add in this wreath. This is from TJ Maxx. It's got little berries, ornaments, pine cones, lights. It's like such a great wreath. I was super pumped when I found this one. So I put that where my fall one was, and then I just added some festive soap, some festive flowers, and a few other little decor pieces. Hey guys, so it's now after work. This morning I had to run out, so we didn't get to the dining room, and I want to do that now quickly before Tim and I decorate the Christmas tree. So I do have a tablecloth here. The only thing is that it's a rectangle tablecloth versus a round one or an oval one, and as you can see, the table is oval. Alright, so I think the decision is I'm going to just order an oval one because I feel like this really doesn't look good. Well, I guess that works because I have to do some work for the dining room table anyways. I have this, and this is so cute. Tim's mom gave me this a few years ago, and every year I tell myself I'm gonna spray paint it, and I haven't spray painted it yet. So this year I want to, and I think he's gonna be a cute little centerpiece. I have all of these little picks and flowers and berries and pine cones, and I wanna do something with them. I wanted to use them to make a centerpiece, but I just don't know what to do with them. So I'll update y'all if I figure something out. Oh, also these go on the stove. These are from TJ Maxx. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. If y'all remember last year on my mirror that I had in my bedroom, I did this like little beard of bells, and so I decided this year I would put it on my clock out here just so that it's, you know, in the living room, can be enjoyed. Also, these little bells are just from the Dollar Tree. One string was $1, so. And if you were curious, this clock itself is from TJ Maxx. So last thing before we start doing the tree is I want to decorate my bedroom. We are going to be taking this white blanket off of my bed and bringing that into the living room. I'll share with you the purpose for that in a little bit, but that has to go. So for my bedroom, I pretty much used the same stuff that I used in it last year, just less obviously, because a lot more of my decor is out in my living room and my kitchen. And the final part of this video is going to be like a condo tour of all my Christmas decorations. So I'll go through where everything is from and give you an overview of how the entire condo turned out. So we're about to start decorating the tree, but I just wanted to say, I swear, get your candles from Walmart. The Better Home and Garden candle line from Walmart is seriously the most potent, best smelling candles. This is Vermont White Spruce. Also, this is from last year, which is why it's like all gone. I didn't finish it last year, so I'm gonna use this up before I get another one. Okay, so next we're going to put the balls on it. So this set we got from Costco. I don't know why this shot was so blurry, but to be honest, I kind of thought it looked cool with like the lights all blurred like that. But if you could tell, Tim is just putting all of the hooks on the ornaments, and then I'm going ahead and putting them on the tree. This honestly was my favorite part of this entire decorating process. We had Christmas Pandora on, we were drinking wine and decorating the tree. And then Tim found these like mini lights in light bulbs off of Amazon. They're super cool. I'll show you a close-up once they're up, but he had the idea to string them all along my patio doors and the window that goes down there. Oh gosh, it turned out so darn pretty. I love all the lights everywhere. It just looks so festive. Tim is putting up lights on above the like balcony door. It's gonna look so pretty, but we are gonna do the tree skirt. So when I was looking for a tree skirt, I was trying to find like a white fluffy one. I wanted it to look like snow sort of, and they were all like $35, which maybe that's not that much for a tree skirt, but I just didn't feel like spending that when I'm like buying so much other stuff this year for Christmas. Maybe that will be next year. And then I remembered that I have this white fuzzy blanket on my bed, so I can just use this. And I tried it out before showing y'all just so that I could like see that I was actually gonna do it. And it works really well. And you can also, I didn't get this, but you can get like white fake fluffy snow from the Dollar Tree and stuff it under there to like make it look bigger. I didn't do that. Maybe I'll do that in the future though. If someone just walks in, I feel like it's really not that easy to tell, and this was free, so A+. Oh gosh, that looks so good, babe. I like how it even makes the picture that my grandma painted look festive. Again, we will work on this. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday morning, November 7th, so exactly a week ago we started this video and took all my fall decor down. This has been such a festive week. I've had so much fun. As you can see, it looks a tad different than when we started. But for this part of the video, I want to take you through my entire condo and show you all the decor that I have, give you like some overview of where things are from, that sort of a thing. And also, I do want to mention that there's still a lot of things I'm gonna do. Oh, I forgot I had tape up here, so I was using it to tape some stuff on like up here, but I didn't end up doing that. There are a lot of things that I'm gonna be adding, a couple things I'm actually gonna be changing. Like I wanna add white lights to this tree. I love the rainbow, but I wanna see what it will look like with white. So I ordered those. And I'm not gonna take the rainbow lights off of the tree. I just want to string in white lights. I'll add a screenshot. Nora actually gave me this idea. And that way I can choose between them or do both. So that was a great idea, Nora. I'm excited for that. Okay, so here's an overview of the living room. Gosh, it looks so pretty. For my couch, this blanket is from TJ Maxx. I love it because it's the red and the gold and the whites, and it's got the ornaments that match the ornament set I have on my tree. And then this pillow, oh gosh, I found this at Bed Bath & Beyond last year in January. It was like 90% off. I got it for like $3, so I love that. And then I just added some little poinsettias from the Dollar Tree on top of Cal and Ricky, and they're so cute. For my coffee table, it's from Wayfair if you were curious, and then this little plaque is TJ Maxx. I got my Walmart candle and these two little coasters, which are so cute. I'm not sure where those are from though. And then for my TV stand, this reindeer is TJ or Marshall's. Pine cones are from Michael's. Those ornaments, I think Dollar Tree. And then I got those candles for Christmas a couple years ago. And this garland, which is gorgeous. gorgeous. Got this for only $10 at Michael's the other day because everything was like 50% off. So the garland was pretty lit. Got it for like 15 bucks from Walmart, and then I added these little picks from the Dollar Tree. A couple of them are from Michael's, and then this wine bottle with the little Santa costume. I've had this snow globe since I was little. I love, love, love the snow globe. And then aren't these so cute? Tim's mom actually gave me them. They're just festive wine glasses, so I put those in the front. And then of course the beard of bells on my clock. If you're watching this, comment beard of bells. And then I showed y'all these little lights, which are from Amazon. I'll have them linked down below, as well as everything else that I can find links for. These are so cool. They're like little bulbs with little lights in them, and they're glass, so they're pretty good quality. And then I love how you could still see the tree from over here. Got my nice little free tree skirt. And then this is what it looks like from this angle. I like to keep my countertops pretty simple, and like I don't like to have a lot of stuff on them, and that's not gonna change in the holidays. So I just added this cute little tree, which is from Marshall's. I think it's so cute. And then some foaming soap. I love the foaming soap. That's like the only soap I'll buy anymore. And then of course this wreath, which is from TJ Maxx. I love it so much. I like how it has the little ornaments, the bells, the berries, the pine cones, different types of greenery. We got everything going on this, even some lights. And then in this corner, I just have some festive flowers and this little Santa dude. Remember when I told y'all that I wanted to figure out something to do with these like greenery? So I clearly I just took them and made like a little mistletoe out of it. I think it looks so cute. And then put a little bow, just another pop of festiveness. And now we'll go into my bedroom really quick. Not too much in here, but it does look cute, so I want to share it with you. My bed, red blanket is from TJ Maxx. Tim's uncle actually got me this pillow last year. And then over here, same clock that I've always had. This little snow scene is so pretty, and then some pine scent, so in the morning, if I'm not feeling like getting up, I can spray it and it'll smell like Christmas and I'll be more motivated. And then over here, I just have the same garland that I had last year, this super pretty tree. And I know this star is like so worn out, but this is actually the star that I grew up with. We use this every single year as long as I can remember. Obviously on Powell got his mini Santa hat for this little big bear. If you watch until this part, let me know in the comments if you prefer colored lights, white lights, or both on your Christmas tree. I did a poll on Instagram a little while back, or yesterday, a little while back, and it was like the closest thing. Obviously I could only do colored or whites because I couldn't add a third option, but it was like going back and forth between 49 and 51% the whole time. It was crazy. So let me know in the comments what you prefer. And I love y'all so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.